Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check if your oxygen concentrator is working. First, ensure your device is properly plugged into a functional power outlet. Next, confirm the power switch is in the on position. Listen carefully for the normal, steady hum of the machine, which indicates it's receiving power. Finally, quickly scan the control panel for any illuminated error lights or audible alarms, as these are immediate indicators of a potential issue. To verify proper function, observe the flow meter to confirm oxygen is being delivered at your prescribed rate. For precise measurement, use an oxygen analyzer to check the purity of the output gas. A well-functioning concentrator should consistently produce oxygen at 90% purity or higher. Also, ensure there are no kinks or blockages in the oxygen tubing, which could impede flow and reduce effectiveness. Next, inspect the humidifier bottle, ensuring it has the correct water level and is securely attached to the concentrator. Then, check the air intake filter for any accumulation of dust or debris. A clogged filter can significantly reduce the machine's ability to produce and deliver oxygen effectively, so clean or replace it as needed. Always confirm all connections are tight to prevent any air leaks. Finally, pay close attention to the sounds your concentrator makes. Listen for any unusual noises such as grinding, rattling, or if it suddenly becomes excessively loud. A noticeable change in the machine's operating sound often signals an internal problem. Continuously monitor for consistent oxygen flow and pressure. If you have persistent concerns about its performance, it's always best to contact a qualified service technician for a professional assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.